to my destination. So I am in New York. I never really mentioned to y'all, but Travis is stationed in New York, and I pretty much came to scope out the area because we may be moving again. Yes, to New York. It's still in the works. We don't really know when, but yeah, that's a big update that I really wanted to share with y'all, and I really didn't know when or how to share with y'all. I always like go back and forth, like I just moved to Georgia. I just said that this may be our forever, but I never really like guaranteed it, like, oh, this is forever, forever, forever. But no, it was like the forever for now, I will say. But life has been really good in Georgia, but it's not really complete because Travis isn't really there and isn't really experiencing it with us. So it's really not the same. So I kind of like miss the family dynamic. We knew it was going to be a struggle with the separating the family, and it was hard. It has been hard, especially on the kids. It's been hard on me too, and Travis, but for the kids, for sure. So we plan to move up here soon. Don't know when. I'll keep y'all updated, but I got here yesterday. I didn't really vlog much yesterday, but we went to a mall and we went to eat. Well, we went to find some food, which we realized the food was in the mall. So we ended up eating, and then we walked around a little bit. But I really didn't vlog much or anything. I kind of was just living in the moment, but hopefully we go out today. I will bring y'all along. Yeah, I've just been chilling. Today he is actually at work, so I got up some editing. I still gotta finish that, and then I'm actually cooking some food right now because I am kind of hungry. What time is it? It's 12 o'clock, so it's lunchtime. But yeah, I'm so happy I let that out of the bag, y'all, because I have been holding on to that. But yeah, so we pretty much just got all of our stuff. Not just, we've had our stuff for about, what, 4 months now? Came in February, March, April, May, June. So yeah, like 4 months. Our military, so they will come and get everything, pack everything up, and then we will be unpacking again. So yeah, and we'll probably be here in New York for 3 years, depending on how fast the process starts. It's probably just gonna be 2 years because Travis, he'll be here. No, Travis has been here for like 4 months, so we'll probably do like a 2.5 years in New York. But yeah, and we're actually going to be in upstate New York, so it's not New York City. So we are about to be pretty much in the same, what's the word I'm looking for? Same stuff that we were dealing with in Germany with the snow and stuff. That's what we about to be dealing with. A lot of snow. So am I looking forward to that? Not necessarily at all, because I love to be hot. I love Georgia. That's where I'm from. And then the whole situation with the house, I'll probably do a separate video geared to that, because we still haven't really made up our mind with what we want to do. We don't really want to sell it because we just bought it, and I don't want us to be like really bad in the hole or anything. But that's a whole nother video, another conversation for another day. Won't be today. But I just really wanted to just update y'all. But I would like to, yesterday we did do a little drive-by on the area that we will be living in, because we will be living on base. Off base, I haven't really seen anything that I kind of like, and yeah, so we'll probably be back in military housing, something that I'm really not looking forward to, but it's okay. It's okay. It's only for 2.5 years, so. But yeah, I'll probably be doing the same thing, trying to make the house into a home, a temporary home, of course, because we can't live in there forever. And then will we go back to our house in Georgia one day? You never know. We just never know. But I'm gonna get off of here and I'll be back when we head out. It is a place that I wanted to try that is supposed to be a black owned restaurant, so we're going to try that one out and see. They have really good reviews, so I'm so excited to see what that's about. I'm excited to see the town. Travis doesn't really care for it, but I'm excited. The place we were at yesterday, Syracuse, I think that's how you say it. From what I did see, I do like it. The mall is incredible. So for all of my military families, if you've been to this part upstate New York, please let me know. Give me some tips. But y'all, we are getting ready to move again. It's crazy. It's crazy. Crazy to say that. But that's the big announcement, y'all. That is the big announcement. That is the big announcement. I'm so glad I was finally able to let that out. But yeah, I'll be back. All right, y'all. So we are headed out. Like I said, I did find. Oh, got some sunshine. I did find a vintage shop I wanted to go to, and then of course the restaurant. Actually, not even hungry no more because it's like 3 o'clock and we just now getting out. It's like really hot here though, which is a good thing. It's a good thing because I'm not trying to be cold. You know, Travis is like freezing me in the dang on room. Alright, let me see. I need to get a phone charger. I'll see. Alright. I'm trying to not look at the camera. Oh, and I need to go buy Ulta. I ain't got no. So orange, looking like Trump. I need some vitamins. I don't have no vitamins. I forgot all my vitamins. You got something to say? Alright, where are they? This one.
This is a neighborhood.
That's what I'm saying. Like this side, like all of this is E7. Oh, that's really nice. Got a hole, they built that. Swing.
In that tree, it fell the other way, right on the mountain.
It was that bad?
Look over here on this side.
They have tornadoes here?
Look like they did. These damn trees, they cut those up. Those are down. Another one right here is down.
I think it's 2.
One right here down. I ain't know that one run past it.
so good.
Perfumey. I need me a new YSL.
Oh, that smells so good. Which one is this?
Perfumey.
The white one is pretty. Alright, y'all, we in Ulta. That stinks really bad. Alright, y'all, we in Michael's now. I ain't been in Michael's in a minute. We came in here. What we in here for, Travis? Look at this. This is bougie. I want to do fall here. That's what I'm saying. You got to hurry up. Huh? They got these. This glass. That's so pretty. All right, so we're in Target. We're in Target now. Oh. 30%. Oh.
Pink, biggie, small shirt. Say Brooklyn.
Huh? Oh, Travis, I think that's for maternity. These are cute. That's why I didn't want to come all over here. I wanted to go to vitamins and vitamins only.
Why we all standing?
Alright, y'all, so we are heading out to Syracuse. It is 70 degrees today. It's kind of cold. Not cold, but it's kind of like chilly, not hot. And I really didn't pack for chilly days because I thought the whole week was supposed to be hot. But yeah, we're gonna visit two places. It's two places that I found that I want to visit. It's like some type of square, and then it's another place that I want to visit. But yeah, we had to stop because both of us are honestly sleeping.